Hello friends and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to share this very easy floral nail art design. If you like flowers on your nail, then these designs are really easy to make and they look super beautiful. You can make any one of them as an accent nail or recreate all 5 of them. So the first design is on my thumb. For this I have used a deep green polish and I added a layer of glittery green polish over it and then let the base dry off. Then I used white polish and made the flowers as shown. Depending upon your nail length, you can add 2 to 3 flowers, and if your nails are longer you can add a few more. And on the remaining spaces I have added some white dots. Finally, I gave the white flowers a yellow center, and when the design got dried off, I finished off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. And this very easy nail art design is done. This second design is a single flower design over a brown colored polish. For this, I took brown polish as the base coat and I added black 5-petaled flower. And on the inner side I used white polish, and I also added a few white dots all around in the empty spaces. And the base color which I used that as the center of the white flower and finished off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. This next design is one of my favorite because it looks super cute and cartoony. For this I have used a deep violet nail polish and I used yellow polish to make 3 dots all around on the 3 corners of my nail. It is kind of a semicircular shaped dot, and then using the dotting tool and some bright polishes I drew the petals of the flowers, and I used different colors for each of the flower. When the flowers were done, I again added a layer of yellow polish to give the center of the flower. Allow the colors to dry off completely and then finish off the design as usual with a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design. And this one is my ring finger design. For this also I have added a deep colored base polish which is a glittery one, and then I have used some chrome polish in banana cream color to make the flowers and some designs on the sides. I gave these flowers a blue colored center and I also added a touch of blue on the petals which I drawn on the sides. I gave it a few more blue dots in the corner. I finished off the design by using a layer of glossy top coat. And on my little finger I have these 4 flowers over a blue colored base which is again a glittery blue colored polish, and 2 bigger flowers are of pink color. And then I added 2 smaller flowers to fill in the remaining space, each of a different color. For the center of the flower I used some blue glitter and I added that, and when the design dries off I finished it off with a layer of glossy top coat. I hope you like these 5 easy floral nail art designs, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.